Optase Comfort Drop can be used to alleviate symptoms of irritation, dryness, and fatigue in the eye. Wash hands with water and soap prior to using the product. Open the vial of moisturizing solution by twisting the cap. For direct use, place 1 or 2 drops in each eye and blink several times. For use with contact lenses, apply 1 or 2 drops to the internal face of the lens prior to placing it on the eye. Optase Comfort Drop may be used as often as is needed. Use immediately once opened. Discard any remaining solution after use, as this may become contaminated, which may cause infection. Do not use product if past its expiration date. To learn more, visit scopeeyecare.com or contact our customer care team at info@scopeeyecare.com.